In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own watermark in Adobe After Effects. So this can be useful if you want to stop other people from stealing your videos or content. And we can do this nice and easily just by clicking on New Composition. And what I'm going to do is just drag some video footage over to the timeline like this. Now, in order to create the watermark, click on the text tool in the top navigation, then go and select somewhere on the screen and just type in what you want this watermark to say. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to label it watermark. And then what we can do is just highlight this text and then use the properties in the right hand side here to go and style this text. So we can increase or decrease the font size. You can also change the font type as well. Then what we're going to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom of this window, and underneath a line, just click on the center horizontally and also a line vertically as well, just to put this right in the middle of the video. Then what you can do is scroll up to the top of this window, and we're just going to change the position of this to where we want this. So I'm going to put it further down the page like this. Now, once you're happy with the placement of your text, click on Window in the top navigation and select Effects and Presets. Now, once you have this open, just scroll down to the Effects and Presets, and we're going to search for Drop Shadow. And once you've found this effect, simply drag it onto the text layer like this. Then in the top right hand side, increase the opacity from 50 to 100%. Change the distance here from 5 to 8. And we're also going to increase the softness to 5. Then what you need to do is right click on your text layer at the bottom down here, click on blending mode, and we're going to select overlay. Now just press the Control and the letter Y key on your keyboard, change the color here to a solid black and press OK, and then go and press OK. Now all you need to do is move this solid black color underneath your text layer like this. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create your own watermark in Adobe After Effects. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.